Alright guys, I got a lot of information in this video, so I'm going to talk real quick, hang out, and hopefully we can get it all out. Alright, to start with, he said he's going to pull a coin ring maker. I think that's just the coolest phrase ever. Secondly, you want to see what he's shipping off? Let me show you. So this is his business. It's Wallace Workshop, and he makes these really cool quarter speed rollers. So if there's any coin roll hunters out there, these make it super easy. This fits 40 quarters perfectly. Then you can flip it over onto this tray and slide your roll onto it, and bam, you can speed roll your quarters. It's super awesome. Yeah. So I'm gonna have his at linked right here. If you guys want to get you one, go order one. He just started selling these, and I got like a prototype, which is pretty cool. I got like a really early edition of them. It's really nice. I appreciate you sending me those. If you're still watching this and you're a coin collector, you should also check out his second account, which I'll have linked down here as well. That's Ben Not Franklin, and he's got a really sweet Discord set up for coin collectors. So you can go on there and learn about coin collecting, share your coin collection. So if you're a coin collector and you want to join that Discord, tap on the second @ in the description. Follow him, and he'll have a link for that Discord in his profile. He also has a link for his shop in his first profile, which will be linked right here. Now, if you're still watching this and you're a coin collector and you're interested in coins, and you like the look of this coin, that's a pretty nice coin, right? This is going to be on that Discord. I have to be careful with my words, but I'm basically going to put this up on the Discord. There's going to be a post on there, and all you have to do is add a little emoji, and you'll be entered in for a chance to get this. So go join his Discord, find that post, put the emoji on there, and this could be yours. All right. So go check out Ben's stuff. It's pretty awesome. That's all I've got for today on this post. But look at that coin. That's pretty cool, huh? Thanks again, Ben. Man, this is so cool. This is going to make going through quarters so much faster. And if you guys are coin roll hunters and you want, a faster way to go about it, I'd say check these out. These are pretty cool. Wallace Workshop, Not Benjamin Franklin, both linked down here. Go follow him. He's a cool dude. All right, see y'all later. Bye.